Hey guys, it's Matt back with a quick video for you. Just wanted to bring this to your attention. There's a decent deal on a very popular radio on Amazon right now. And I say decent because it's about the same across the board, but what makes this special is what it comes with and just how useful the stuff is. So there are two radios in the BaoFeng 5RM family that stand out in my mind that I see as the most desirable, and public opinion is pretty much with me on this one. There's the BF-F8HP, which I've covered on another video on my channel, and then there's the AR-5RM. And if you don't know about the AR-5RM, it is the only model of 5RM that comes completely unlocked from the factory. If you don't know what that means, we're not going to cover that in the video right now. If you do know what that means, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So for a while, the AR-5RM could only be ordered off of like eBay, Banggood, AliExpress, maybe Temu. I don't know. I don't really shop on Temu. I know Temu sells 5RM style radios. But anyway, it's now available easily on Amazon. And you'll find a lot of packages on there. And again, they're all about the same price. Now this, once you put the coupon on it, is $47 and some change. But like I said, what it comes with is the most appealing thing, at least to me. And this actually popped up on my Vine program. And when I saw what it came with, I said, yeah, I will definitely grab that and write a review because frankly, it looks useful as all get out. So with the radio, you also get the standard 2500 milliamp hour battery. It's an excellent battery, charges via USB-C on the back. However, they also include the 3800 milliamp hour extended battery. Now, if you happen to have a BF-F8HP Pro, these batteries will both work with it as well. They are interchangeable. I find out to be very convenient. You will also get a programming cable and the driver in case you need to install the driver on your computer. You also get the standard rubber duck antenna and an extended antenna. This is a Bree AR-771. I've used them in the past with other radios. They perform just fine. Never had an issue with them. You also get a speaker mic. You get an earpiece, which I've never used. They're not comfortable. My ears hurt after a while. You get a charging cradle. You get a charging cable in case you don't want to use the cradle. You get the wrist strap. And you get the belt clip. And all of that, which I would use 90% of this, is $47 and change. I thought, you know what, I'm going to tell my viewers about this because I think that's a pretty decent deal, especially with what they're including. Sometimes you will get stuff that is just stupid. Stuff that you wouldn't use, you know, maybe two small rubber duck antennas, or I don't know, you get two radios but you only get two small batteries and nothing else. Well, that's great, you know. I don't know, I would prefer to have something like this because I would use the extended battery, I would use the extended antenna, I would certainly use the programming cable. So for the money, seemed like a good deal, wanted to bring it to your attention. I'll put an affiliate link in the video description below, and if you've been waiting to pull the trigger on one, maybe now's a good time. All right, so that'll do it for this video. Remember, when it comes to tech, I've got you covered.